The Escalante is canyon country, home to a selection of high-quality slot canyons that will keep you coming back time and time again. One of the most popular objectives is Neon Canyon, well known for the spectacular final rappel into the majestic Golden Cathedral, certainly one of the top natural wonders on the Colorado Plateau. Just down the Escalante River a few minutes from Neon is another high-quality canyon named Ringtail. However, Ringtail is visited far less often than its illustrious neighbour. It seems most hikers don't want to make the same cross-country hike 2 days in a row or carry camping gear. Ringtail also has the challenge of pothole escapes, which may deter some groups. Ringtail and Neon are typically accessed from the Egypt Bench. We sat out a rainy day on the Egypt Bench, watching the showers just miss the Neon and Ringtail catchments. Leaving the Egypt Bench. A few drips of rain this morning, definitely rain further north still. We walked in the next morning to set up camp on the Escalante River at the Neon Junction. The Escalante was flowing much stronger than usual given the 2 days of rain that had hit the upper catchment. Just a few hundred yards down from Neon, going to exit the Escalante here. What looks like a constructed trail. Petroglyphs from Native Americans. From the cow trail we've just rim walked along the Escalante on the slick rock bench, very quick. So we're just going to come up and over now to look at Ringtail. Looking over the top, Ringtail is there as a massive fault line figure. We're just going to wander down into here and ignore that fault line. From the aerial photos you can see that Ringtail does have a couple of miles of narrows, albeit the best and technical section is in the final half a mile before the Escalante. I think the canyon proper starts at the bend with just another 100 yards or so. There's our first down climb. Didn't get into the action, but we came in just past a pothole, maybe 2 meters deep.
You don't need me? Okay. Awesome.
Looking down a drop here, I think this could be a keeper pothole. It is dry. Mel and Ryan are down in the pothole. And we're going to rappel from that log.
Awesome.
Okay.
Wow, what a pothole, huh?
In dry conditions, the keeper pothole is a straightforward partner assist escape. Melissa climbed up onto my shoulders, then scrambled up onto the lip.
Why did you make a nice big footprint on that side?
Oh man, it's another pothole.
Melissa then climbed down the other side into the next mini pothole and sat down to act as my anchor to climb out using the rope. So that's where we just rappelled into the pothole. There. And then looking down the other side into a mini pothole. It's about knee deep, narrow exit. Now it's going to go and have a look around the corner. Now on the other side of the mini pothole, Mel and Ryan are underneath me coiling the rope. Thank you. There's a nice convoluted little climb through here and a slide down into the second keeper, which looks to be waist or chest high.
Mum, this for Catherine when swimming on it. I'm near the bottom, Mum.
Well done.
Almost there.
Okay.
No, this might reach. Great, I'm at the bottom.
Okay, off belay.
You'll just need a little boost to escape the second pothole. Looking back in.
In a nice little orange chamber.
Really? Yeah, it's gonna get light.
The canyon is rated 3B, the B meaning a swim, but it was bone dry for us. Little narrow down climb, I'm going to go high, but we took Ryan's helmet off to get through this bit.
Right, it stopped, hasn't it?
Yeah. I think it's still going up there.
sideways scraping. It should start to get dark. Ryan is leading us through with the head torch. Thank you, Ryan. The dark section can be accessed from below. It seems most people visit Ringtail bottom up rather than top down. Ringtail cats are rarely seen in the Escalante, but they have been observed in the pitch-black depths of this canyon, hence the name. Wow, blazing sunshine. There's a little breeze to my back, that's quite cool, and there's about to be a furnace in front of us. Ringtail is a great canyon, certainly worth planning an extra day when combined with a trip to neighbouring Neon Canyon.